Hi, chemistry people. This is your first assignment for today. So if you weren't in school today, this is what I need you to do. The very first thing we're going to do is familiarize yourself with the Canvas page. So if you haven't already loaded Canvas onto your desktop, I would add it to your desktop. I have it loaded to my desktop right here. This helps me save time. If not, you can go to Murray Schools and then go to their Canvas tab already. So I'm going to load in Canvas right here. And I'm going to, of course, use my Canvas account with my Murray Schools. So always make sure that you log into Canvas using your Murray Schools account. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. And then you should have your dashboard. So on your dashboard, you should have all of your chemistry classes. Okay, so at this point, I want you to choose whatever chemistry class you're in. If you're in my honors class, I want you to choose chemistry honors banks. If you're in the general class, I want you to choose the chemistry, just the general chem. The assignment pretty much is the same for both of you. So let's go into the honors chemistry right now. Okay, so I'm going to go into the honors chemistry class. The very first thing on both the honors and the general chemistry class, you will see my front page. You will see some navigation tips. You will have a class announcement tile, and I put some announcements on there, one announcement on there already. You have a tile where you can post a question. There's a tile that will take you to a bunch of resources, class resources, and then there's a tile that will take you to the learning modules. That's where I want to focus today. The learning resources you can explore on your own time. I have several links to several, actually, let's just go. I have several links to to YouTube channels. So I have several of my favorite YouTube channels. I have this Chem Libre is a chem wiki put out by UC Davis. This is another YouTube channel, Khan Academy. Professor Dave is a YouTube channel. Tyler DeWitt is a YouTube channel. Crash Course Chemistry, YouTube. We are not going to be using a chemistry book this year, so I have linked the Utah State Core Chemistry textbook if you want to use that for reference. And then Fuse School is also a YouTube channel that has all things chemistry on it. And then the last link here is PhET. PhET is a simulator that you can do lots of different chemistry experiments, change variables, and see how things react. We will be doing some labs on PhET this year. PhET is also a fun place to just go and play and learn how things work in chemistry. So let's go back. The two things that I really want to talk about this year that are going to be super important are the announcements tab over here on the left and your modules tab. I'm going to be posting everything on modules. I'm going to start posting them by date, but like right now I have the modules that I want you to look at. I have more on my page than will show up on yours. I have a getting started, helpful tips, additional support modules. This will help you learn how to understand and use Canvas. Then I have a class overview, an intro to me so that you can learn my background, my contact information. I have a class resource page as well, and then the class question board. Now the class question board is open right here for everybody. So it will be, there's a question board for the honors kids and there's a question board for the Gen Chem kids. And that's a place that you can post your questions. You can help each other with homework help. You can help each other understand the material. I'll be on those boards as well every once in a while, just seeing how things are going and directing some of the questions and answers. The next thing I want you to show you is to scroll down. We have our Welcome to Chemistry, Getting to Know You. These are the things I want you to do in the next day or two. The first thing I have is a Getting to Know You survey. So if you click on this link, we have a Google Forms survey that I have already embedded into Canvas. I just want you to take a few minutes and answer the questions and submit. So, okay, to be as honest as you can. The more honest you are on what's going on, the better I can serve you as a student. So I just want to know, like, your name that you want me to use, your Murray email, how familiar you are with Canvas, kind of things like that. Okay, and then there are some just kind of fun questions so that I can get to know you a little bit more. The next thing I want to show you is your other assignment, getting to know you. I have a flip grid that I have put into Canvas. So you will see a join code on whatever flip grid. And if you go in to Flipgrid, you will see that there are two Flipgrid discussions. I have one for my honors class and I have one for my non-honors class. So, and it's really not clear which one is which. So the top one is for my honors class and the bottom one is for the Gen Chem. So go to the ones that are in for your class and you will be able to add a short little minute and a half video. I want you to find something around your house that is important to you, and I want you to tell us why it's important. So you have about 90 seconds to do that. You can look at other flip grids to give you some examples, some ideas. I've put an example on there too if you want to do that. So happy chemistry. Welcome to chemistry. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of the disclosure and lab safety next time. And then we will start actually doing chemistry further on in this week. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.